While in Beaufort, South Carolina, during the Civil War, Harriet Tubman served as a nurse.
Preparing for a history competition. A group of students from Battery Creek High School will soon be heading to Myrtle Beach to take part in a National History Day competition. After placing first in the Lowcountry competition, the students will represent the region in the team exhibit category, competing against more than 10 teams statewide. This year's National History Day theme is Revolution, Rebellion, and Reform. The students chose to focus their project on Harriet Tubman, examining her historical ties to our area, as well as the Underground Railroad.
She transformed the Lowcountry by building one of the first businesses, being a nurse, and leading people to freedom.
Well, of course, the first one was that she was a spy, and she was a nurse, and she built the first laundromat here.
During the competition, each team will have 10 minutes to present their exhibit, followed by 10 minutes of questions from judges. And during a final 5 minutes, they will play a speech they recorded and answer additional questions.
I know the road up front will be hard. Remember this moment.
One of the teachers here recorded it for us. We actually typed up what we thought might have been something that she would have said to the newly freed slaves right in front of the Tabernacle Church downtown. It was an interesting process because the teacher had to try and embody Harriet Tubman's voice and kind of get that deep feeling, just to have the judges kind of transform themselves like they were back in that time.
The students have been practicing and working hard and are excited for the competition.
Recently, we've just been trying to get more fluent with how we talk, trying to make it more natural and like a conversation. That was one of the comments from the judges. Overall, they said our project visually was phenomenal and just not much there to work on, but they just want us to make sure that we know our stuff and there's no bumps or stutters.
The winning team at Myrtle Beach will advance to the National History Day competition in Maryland in June. Once the team is done competing, their exhibit will go on display at the Penn Center. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
In South Carolina, she went from being a covert rescuer to military leader.